Today I'm going to show you Fairy Falls. Today's adventure starts off in Cairns. It's located in the Far North region of Queensland, Australia, approximately 1700 kilometres north of Brisbane. The first thing we want to do is to head north on the Cairns Western Arterial Road. At these set of traffic lights, we want to turn left onto Redlinch Connection Road. Only a few minutes drive along this road will meet a roundabout. We want to take the first exit, which then takes us onto Redlinch Intake Road. From here we need to follow this road all the way to the end until we reach the Crystal Cascades car park. This road is only 12 kilometers long and will take roughly 15 minutes to drive. Do be careful of horse riders in this area. There's a horse riding school on this road which often takes their horses out for a walk. Finally, we'll be going through a mini mountain range from the rainforest, and that will lead us to our final destination. This here is the entry into the Crystal Cascades car park. In front of us, keep an eye out for the person in the red shirt. That there is the start of the Fairy Falls walking track. But before that, we need to park our car and get ready for the hike. This here is the start of the walking track. There's no sign saying how long the track is, but I would say it's about 400 meters long. This track goes through the dense rainforest and will take no longer than 15 minutes to walk. When the track gets rocky like this, it means we're near the creek. This is roughly the halfway mark. Once you reach that rocky creek, you want to follow the creek upstream. This here is the worst part of the track because it's a very narrow passage. There are several tracks that do go uphill but don't follow those. We need to stick with the creek, otherwise you can get lost in this dense rainforest. After another 5 minutes of walking, you will eventually come out here to this beautiful view of Fairy Falls. This is the exact spot where I took this amazing picture. Alright, we just made it to Fairy Falls. So we're at the bottom here. The main falls is right at the top there. And yeah, it's looking really cool. So we're going to see if we can try and get our way up to the top, and we'll come back to you. So I made it to the top, pretty easy, a little bit slippery, but as long as you watch where you're walking, you're all good. Feels good, eh? Really good. Yeah, it's refreshing. My name's Trent, and I hope you enjoy this waterfall adventure of Fairy Falls. If you want to see more, make sure you watch my 360 virtual reality video here to get a close-up view of Fairy Falls. Also, here's a random adventure video that YouTube thinks you will like. I'll catch you later on my next waterfall adventure. See yous.